Hi, we are here again. So I'm going to be talking about working capital. Working capital simply means the immediate cash you need to run your business. So it's not like the cash flow in and out of it, but the money that is reserved. That when the chips are down, that's the money you go to collect. Working capital, it just means money at hand. That's as simple as it is. Money at hand. Most of the time we get to find it's not your profit, but we find out that businesses make profits and then use that profit back into the business. Like it becomes the working capital. Eventually, business is not making profits because you are recycling. So you should know whether you have working capital or not. Working capital is that money set aside for the immediate running of the business so that you wouldn't touch anything. You're not touching your profit, you're not touching your inflow and of money in the business, but it's just a working capital. That one, you're when money comes like this, okay, for example, you make profit and then you set aside money for the running day-to-day running of the business. That's the working capital. Set it aside. You set aside when you finish doing all your expenses and everything, you pay salaries. There should be an amount that you keep for your business running day-to-day running. Okay, maybe you have a farm. Let me use the idea of a farm, maybe a greenhouse farm, and you have produce and you sell. You pay yourself, you make all the expenses for transportation, but then you set aside a sum for the running day-to-day miscellaneous things that come up on a daily basis. That is working capital. You need to set aside that money because it is the immediate funds you run to